AYD 36-piece cutlery set review, 8-person stainless steel set. Honest insights on quality and value. Welcome to Review and Adventure Hub. In today's video, I am diving deep into a detailed review of the AYD 36-piece cutlery set, a sleek and functional cutlery collection designed for 8 people. While the product advertises itself as being made from 18/10 stainless steel, the finishing and overall quality feel average and do not match the expectations for this material grade. The set includes 8 table knives, 8 table forks, 8 tablespoons, 8 teaspoons, and 4 serving utensils, which is perfect for a small dinner gathering. The design is sleek, and the weight of the utensils is balanced enough for comfort during meals. However, upon closer inspection, the cutlery lacks the premium feel of authentic 18/10 stainless steel products, and the overall finishing leaves room for improvement. One of the positives is the variety of pieces in the set, which makes it versatile for multiple dining setups. The serving spoons are a good size, and the utensils are easy to clean, making them convenient for regular use. However, considering the slightly higher price point, the value for money feels questionable given the average finishing and unverified material claims. In conclusion, while the AYD 36-piece cutlery set offers a sleek design and basic functionality, it may not be the best option for those seeking premium quality diningware. If you're after affordability and don't mind average finishing, this set could work for you. Otherwise, explore alternatives that offer genuine 18/10 stainless steel at similar prices. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you enjoyed this review.